Welcome back to King Natus Barbecue. Today we are making sliders that I saw on the TikTok. Super simple, super quick, I hope. Let's get to it. All right, starting off with some 85/15 ground beef. Gonna use this small tray to mold patty out. And some parchment paper. That was extremely loud. This is 2 pounds. Let's see if I need to use all of 2 pounds. But full slab. Alright. That is how we're looking. Gonna put this back in the refrigerator so it kind of reform, solidify in the shape while we prep the rest of our stuff. All right, next we're gonna get our mandolin. We're gonna slice up some onions. Ready? Sick. We are gonna put it in a bowl, very thin. Then we'll grab some kosher salt, put it all over this to start pulling out the water to cut down the cook time on the onions. That's a little lot. Gonna let these hang out about 10 minutes or so, let all the water draw out, and I'm gonna take them out and rinse them out like a wet paper towel, just to get all that onion juice out of here. And then on to the rest of the show. Next up, while we're waiting for this onions to sweat out, kind of like I am doing right now, let's prep these buns. Today I'm using not the traditional Hawaiian rolls. These are brioche butter rolls that I found at my local Sprouts because they don't have Hawaiian rolls there. Bread knife in the middle and as straight as possible. Bam, we did it. Curious, because I got some bacon to grill off, if I should do the bacon first and use that grease, leftover grease, to toast these off before we make the rest of this burger. I think we may try that out. So as of now, I'm gonna check up on these onions, make sure everything's good to go before we head outside to my griddle, cook some bacon, toast some buns off, make the burger patty, and now we'll finish this up. Let's go check up on those onions. Let's see if I can show this to you. Making a mess. You kind of see there's water pooling there, maybe jiggle it. It's all the onion juice. So what I'm gonna do is I happen to have a cold brew bag. I'm gonna fill this with the onion and just squeeze everything out. Why? Because I have it. And I'm trying to figure out the less messy way to do it. All right. See if we get a close up of. Yeah. How much juice we got out of there. Oh, all right, let me set this aside because my eyes is crying. All right, first order of business. Let's get this thing up to temp. Cook off some bacon. This is some of the pepper bacon we made the other day. Come on. Focused. Focused. Remove some of this bacon grease. Let's see. Oh, that did not work how I wanted it to. All right. Shit. Toasting those off. Toasting that off. This is. Alright, I'm going to remove this, reset, bring in the patty, bring in the onions, cheese, and we'll get back to that right now. Alright, let's see if I don't fuck this up. Ready to go. Then I'm also using Cattleman's Roadhouse, just a good old steak beef rub. Put some boigas on there, so we'll get to that right now. Alright, so sweating out for a bit. Start making my way under here. Feel like I should have gone this way. Alright, and give us the old flipperoo. How did that work is beyond me. Gonna grill up those onions, some seasoning on here. Alright, while the bottom side grills off, I'm going to add some cheese and the bacon. Begin the melting process, just using some processed American yellow cheese. One slice, a two slice, a three slice, a four slice. A six slice. And time for some movie magic. All right. Start that melting process. Then get the bacon. Let's see, how should I do this? There she is. Alright, I just temped the burger. Ground beef sitting at 170, 175. I'm going to make an attempt to transfer this onto the tray. Add a little bit of mayo here. Let's see, how do I do that? Same way I did the last one. Double spatula. Make sure everything's loose. Come on. Let's support the bottom side. Whoa. So we're looking up. Let's go inside and get a cut. Alright, welcome back. Quick recap of what we did. Made a square patty to fit the size of the dinner rolls that I bought. Sliced up some onions very thin, added some salt to pull out the moisture so they could cook quicker. Cooked up some bacon that I made in my last video. If you want to see that, I will figure out how to do that and add it here. And then, yeah, cooked everything off. Toasted some buns with the bacon grease I did. Made it very simple, easy. Let's bring it down so you can see the final product. Cut it and take a bite. This is what we were left with. A little bit of toasty buns. Let's cut a piece and see what we did. Nice little corner piece. Little medium action in there with some grilled onions. Let's take a quick bite. Some good onions. Good beef. Pause. Good bacon. Quite delightful. That's gonna be another episode of King Nice Barbecue. My name's Leo. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll tag all my other details, other accounts I have on there. And enjoy the food. Peace.